Alright, here's Drew and I. There's Drew. Just set up camp right over there. I have my hammock and tarp. Drew has a tent. And now we're going to go walk up the trail and see how pretty the sunset is on top of Huckleberry. Drew is my Huckleberry. We just went down and got some water and found the prop of the airplane crash that we've been looking for. And oh, now we're gonna go up here and see this pretty sunset. You wanna go with me? Let's go. Here we go. All right. Oh, looky here. Looky here. Woo, buddy. Oh yeah. So here we go. I believe we're at 5,560 feet. Pretty night. Drew just had some Jamaican jerk something, rice, and mocha mousse pie. I had spaghettios with meatballs.
And shrimp.
And some shrimp with cocktail sauce. So here we are. We're at the top now. Look at that. Oh yeah. Not too shabby. So we're on top of Huckleberry Knob, and right over here, Hooper Bald. Oh, there's Hooper Bald, right over there. You just scan on around. Oswald Dome, Hiwassee River, Benton. Just scan on around. Over here is Bob Bald, Heyo, Hangover. In the distance, Parsons Bald and Gregory Bald. Go down a little bit farther, Thunderhead. Over here is Kleeman's Dome. To the left of that, in the distance, LeConte. Scan on over here to the right a little bit more. You'll see Wesser Bald coming up on the AT. Wesser goes on out to Albert Mountain, Blood Mountain, Springer Mountain, on down toward Hotlanta. So anyway, Huckleberry Knob. Beautiful sunset tonight.